Okay, dynamic model in robotics. Yung dynamic model sa torque ng robotics. Dynamic model in robotics, yung Newton Langerian. Na, pero yung angles is given in radians. Imbis na degrees, in radians natin siya kinuha. So, kasi sabi nila, angles daw sa mga ganito, sa torque. No, dynamic model to sa joint torque, yung T1 and T2, yung angles daw should be given in radians. Hindi siya in degrees. Para daw unit compatible kasi torque. Pag torque in radians talaga yan. So, dyan papasok yung pi over 180, diba? Which is equivalent to 0.017. So, yung angle given times 0.017. So, kay Sir Randy, na nagre-referee ata sa intrams. So, yan. Shout out. So, yun lang po.